Hey guys, it's Rhonda from Rhonda's Creative Corner, where we teach you to make mums and wreaths and how to perfect your craft. Today guys, we're going to be doing a bow tutorial using the Probow the hand. If you would like to get a Probow the hand, I do sell them on my website at www.rhondascreativecorner.com, and they also have them on the Probow the hand website as well, and it's just probowthehand.com. Alright, so what you're going to need for this bow, you're actually going to need the Probow the hand, the spool holder, and you're just going to need one roll of ribbon, 2.5. And this ribbon I actually have this on sale. It's regularly $17.50, and this is actually a, let me see, a 25-yard roll, and I'm having it on sale for $15.50 for 25 yards of this beautiful ribbon. So if you want to get you some, you're more than welcome to go over there to www.rhondascreativecorner.com, get you the Probow the hand and the ribbon. Alright guys, so we want to talk about where the pegs are going to go for this particular bow. You're going to have the middle peg here, and you're always going to have this. You're going to have this peg here on row B here in the center, and this is what makes the center loop. Okay, so this is very important that we have this so that we can have the pretty center loop. Alright, and then you're going to go out to row C, and you're going to put the pegs. You're going to skip peg for 1 on C. On the left and right, you're going to skip it, and then you're going to have pegs on 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, so that's going to be our recipe, or where our pegs go for this particular bow. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to get started on this bow. Okay. Oh, you know what? I forgot. I got my new desk, and I have my my little drawers right here. So this is up to you and what you how you want to do this. I like using pipe cleaners. Everybody else pretty much teaches to use floral wire. So it's really up to you. I do have a bow called the Rhonda bow, and it is on my Etsy website. I sell it for $14.99. But that's the only one that I do use wire for. The rest of them I use pipe cleaners. Okay. All right. So what you're going to do with this is you're going to take your ribbon, and you're going to pinch it together here. You're going to take your pipe cleaner. What you want to do is you want to make sure that it's even, and then you want to pull this tight. Okay, pull it tight. If you want to wrap it around a second time, you can. Cutting that little excess off. Alright, so what you're going to do is, when you have your ribbon, go ahead and make sure that it's not bunched up here. Go ahead and pull it and make sure that it looks okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to come around the left side. Okay, you'll pull your ribbon and come around the left side. Alright, and you're going to go and you're going to place it here. You're going to have one of your pipe cleaners, side of your pipe cleaners going up and one going down. All right, and you want this to go right here in the center. All right, and you're going to just take this and you're going to wrap it really tight. All right, and make sure that you're placing your ribbon right in the middle of the peg. You don't want it to be too far down or too far up. You want it to be right in the middle. And with this one here, you're just going to take it and wrap it around once, and then you're going to place it underneath here so that it'll stay. Alright, so you're just going to make sure that this little piece is folded in as well, and then you're going to take this and you're going to pull. Okay, and pull it quite tight. You want it to be tight so that it won't your bow, once you're fluffing it, it won't be too loose. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to pinch it here, and you do what's called the bottoms up, and all you're doing is just turning the ribbon up. Okay, so that your pretty side is facing forward. All right, and then you're going to go here to the row 2, and then you'll pinch it, you'll take it, and you bottoms up. All right, and while you're sitting here, go ahead and make sure that this is not bunched up too much. Okay, so when you fluff your bow, it'll look really pretty. All right, then you're going to go over here to the left side, okay? You're going to pinch it and you bottoms up. Go ahead and fix it. You just open up the ribbon. Alright, and you can just keep pulling your ribbon as you go. That's one thing that I love about the Probow too. The ribbon holder, you're able to pull it as you go. You don't have to worry about turning your ribbon, you know, it gets like twisted. You don't have to worry about that. Alright, you'll pinch it, you'll bottoms up, come in, open it up, go over here to the third peg on the left. Alright, you'll pinch it and bottoms up. Go over here to peg 4 on the right. You'll pinch it, bottoms up, go ahead and open it up and fix it. Right, and go over here to the 4th peg on the left. Alright, you'll pinch it and bottoms up. Row 5. So, and it also depends on how big you want your bow. You do not have to put them on all 6 of the lines of the pegs if you don't want to. If you want a smaller bow, you can stop here if you want, you know, or stop on 5. A lot of mine that I do, I stop on 5. So I love to make the not evergreen, I'm sorry, why can't I think of what it is? I love to make the little bunny rabbits that are made of the I lost my train of thought, sorry guys. Grapevines, there we go. I love to make my own, you know how you put them together. So I use this one, this particular bow for the bow tie that I put on there. So I love using this one, and I only go to 5 for that one, because, you know, I don't want it to be too big on the bunny, even though I think that would still be cute too. And also sometimes I'll add another ribbon with this too and use this same recipe. Alright, so we're on this last one. On row 6 on the right side, you're going to pinch it and then you bottoms up. Do that one again. Pinch it and bottoms up. Okay, so if you see right here, when I started out and I'm, it's kind of bunched up here, if you can see this in the camera. So all I'm doing is just going in and just straighten it out. I just get my hand and I just kind of straighten it out, okay? So it's not too bunched. Alright, and this is the last one. You're going to twist it and your bottoms up. Alright, so now what you're going to do is you're going to take your ribbon here, and when you do this part, make sure that your ribbon is untied from around the peg, okay? And then you're going to, and always keep your hand here as well until you can get it all together, alright? So then you're going to take it and you put the one from the bottom, you put it up, the one from the peg, you're going to put it down, and then you twist 3 times. You can twist more than 3 times, but I wouldn't twist too many more than probably about 4, because you don't want to break the pipe cleaner, okay? And so what we're going to do now, depending on how long you want your tails to be, you can just cut your tails. If you want a long tail, you can cut it long. All right. then I'm going to cut another piece about the same length as that one for our other tail. Alright. And so now what you're going to do is you're going to take your bow off of the pegs. And this is what you have. A beautiful bow. Alright. So I'll be right back. We're going to get this ready. I'm going to take all of the pegs off of here and then get ready to show you how I fluff it. Alright? I'll be right back. Alright guys, it's time to fluff our bow. And I want to show you what I did because I did not have a fluff box. And if you need a fluff box, they definitely sell them on the Probow the Ham website. You can go there and get you one. If not, then you can do what I have done. Alright, so what I did is I placed an eye hook right here in the center on row C. And it's in between C and D. Row C and D. I put an eye hook right there, and I'm going to use the nail as well for this. So if you want to use wire, fluffing the bone here using wire is better, but all I do is just add another pipe cleaner in the meantime right here. Okay, so I just go and I just twist another pipe cleaner and make sure that it's tight because you want it to be able to hold. And then you're just going to take this off at the end. Okay. Alright, so that's nice and tight, so it made it extra long. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your pipe cleaner through here, through the eye hook, like this, and you're going to pull it really tight where your bow is actually standing up, okay? And then you're just going to twist it around underneath, okay? And you can twist it 2 times to make sure that it stays, okay? Alright, so that's on there like that. I'm just going to put my little tail out to the side. And then with this one, you're just going to take it and you're going to pull it, wrap it around twice. And then you're going to place it underneath your board. Alright, so now you're ready to fluff your bow. So I like to start on the outside. And I'll just do one side at a time. I'll go in, kind of pull a little bit, make sure that you have all of your ribbon and using all of it. Because sometimes it can get stuck underneath there. So I just kind of go and open it up. Alright. Alright. So now it's all nice and fluffed. Alright, and then you just take it off. Alright. And this is what we have. It's all nice and pretty. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take this pipe cleaner off, or you can just cut it off if you want. Just cut that off. And then we're going to add another tail. So you're just going to pinch here. And we can use this part of the pipe cleaner to add this to it. Make sure you're pulling it tight. Alright. Alright, and then you can just go and turn your bow here. Make sure that it's facing forward. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And please follow me on all of my social media. Every one of my social medias is Rhonda's Creative Corner. Alright? And also, if you want to join my circle, my subscription group, just go to www.rhondascreativecorner.com and you go to the Rhonda's Creative Circle tab and you can join us for only $14.99 a month. And also you can get this beautiful ribbon for only $15.99 for 25 yards. Alright guys, until next time. Bye guys!